Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Zealous Tutorials. So today I'll be going through a song titled Jireh. This song is done by Elevation and Maverick City. So without wasting time, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the song is in the key of E flat. So I'm just gonna go straight with the intro. The intro goes like, alright, so what are the chords? So we start with the C minor to B flat to a A flat, and then we end with the E flat. Play that again, slower. Okay, so my right hand is playing a sort of riff, and it goes like this. And my left hand is just playing those chords, the octaves on the right, on the left hand. I'm going to play that slower one more time. I'm going to play it at normal tempo. Alright, so that is the intro. So when we go into the verse, so I'm just going to play it one time. Right, that was pretty straightforward. So we start with the C minor to B flat, and then A flat to E flat, again, and then this is where we change things up. We start with the B flat instead of the C minor, into C minor, and then A flat to E flat, then C minor, B flat, then F minor, E flat. Okay, so if you want to, you could put these melodic lines like so moving over into the chorus. Chorus is pretty simple. We start off with the B flat to C minor, and then A flat to E flat, then repeat. And then B flat on the third line to C minor, and F minor, E flat, and then we go back to the normal progression. Okay, so in the bridge, this is how the bridge goes. Okay, so that is pretty much how the whole bridge goes. Okay, the very last section that we need to cover in this song, it's pretty simple actually. So it's just basically going between G sharp or A flat to E flat over G. And then they play this line. So that is pretty much the whole song. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and let me know which song to do next. Thanks for watching.